I have built a brand new Loom automation. It's completely custom code. It doesn't need RoboMotion. It's completely custom code. And I've done it over the last 3 weeks. I didn't know any code 3 weeks ago. I've been slowly coding and learning. And now I've built an application which basically lets you automate your looms. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Rob, how has someone who doesn't know any code managed to do something like that? Well, to tell you the truth, it's because my IQ is in the 4 digits. I'm incredibly smart. My brain is huge. And it's so big that sometimes I forget to do simple things like shave on a decent setting, but instead I ended up trimming my whole beard off, which is why I look different, if you're wondering. But anyway, I'm going to show you a little walkthrough of this Loom automation today. I have built it from scratch. It doesn't matter if you're on a Windows PC, it doesn't matter if you're on one of those silly Mac computers or a Game Boy from the 1930s. All it needs you to do, it doesn't need you to set anything up. It needs you to select a CSV file. It needs you to basically select a video file, and it needs you to press play. And then it will go off into the cloud. Doesn't need anything on your own PC. Go off into the cloud, record all your videos, and then it'll give you a spreadsheet with all your video links in it. Great, right? Took me ages to figure out how to do this, okay? And it's not quite ready yet. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough today. If you want, by the way, if you want early access to this, I'm gonna give a discount for the people who get early access in it. I'm gonna leave a little link underneath this video, just where you can enter your details. And if you enter your details, you'll get a little bit of money off. It's gonna be a monthly subscription cost because it's on the cloud, it's much easier to run. However, it costs monthly to run it, basically. Okay, so cool. Let me show you exactly how this goes and how friggin' easy this is. Let's have a look. This right here is the personalized videos page. And all that you need to do is enter a password, enter a CSV file, enter your outreach file, and click submit. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, great. So in the CSV file, it has 2 URLs. So I'm gonna just press submit here and take a seat. Then what it's gonna do next is automatically download this CSV file to your actual desktop. What's gonna happen then is this CSV file is gonna have your URLs in it, which is what you submitted. It's also gonna have your links to your video files. And we're just gonna go ahead and play one of these links now. We'll go with ABC. Hey there, my name is Rob Lally. I run a marketing agency that helps businesses just like yours get more clients. I came across your website and I saw a few quick, simple fixes that I think you could make that will help you get more clients and customers. I'm just gonna pause that there because you don't need to watch the whole video. It's just an example video. What you can see is it's perfect. It's recorded it perfectly. And it's gonna give you the video link that you can just take this CSV and insert it into whatever email software that you use for cold email instantly, or, you know, I know there's a few others as well, like Woodpecker. Whatever you use, you can just insert that file into them. So there you go, much better. You can see it's very, very easy to use. It doesn't matter if you are using a Windows or a Mac. It doesn't matter if you have your PC on or not. It just runs the process in the background and then gives you your CSV file. Now, you could probably tell this is a very, very early edition. It's just been created, the code has, so it's not pretty at all. I need to implement a membership area. I need to do a good few things and look for any issues or anything that can arise for once it can scale up a little bit. So this is the reason why I'm including that little link below if you want early access to this, to put your name into it so we can give you a discount whilst we scale it up. There's not much more to say in this video, but please let me know if you like what you've seen. Please let me know if you've got any questions underneath, if you've got any suggestions as well. Make sure you guys interact with each other in the comments, you know, like each other's comments. If somebody comes up with a good suggestion, you want to see it as well. That helps me as the developer see if what I'm putting out or the idea that the person gives is actually good, and it's not just that person thinking it, it's actually something which resonates with other people. Let me know what you think, guys. Have a great one. See you in the next video.